Friends, this video consists of a solved problem on royalty accounts. The problem number 2 is on mining royalty, in which royalty chart has been prepared. It is followed by journal entries and ledger accounts in the books of both the parties, the lessee and the lessor. Also kindly check the description given below. You will find the PDF of the study material on all the solved problems 1 to 5. Now let us consider problem number 2. In this problem, the royalty is based on output. Let us examine. A colliery company, which is the lessee, has taken a coal mine under lease, which provides for the payment of royalty of rupees 10 per ton raised. So, the royalty is rupees 10 per ton based on output, with a minimum rent of rupees 8,000 per annum. Per annum minimum rent is 8,000. Other things remaining constant, minimum rent is rupees 8,000. That is, in all the years, minimum sum payable by the lessee to the lessor is rupees 8,000. The agreement further provides that each year's excess of minimum rent over the actual royalty, that is nothing but short workings, is recoverable during the subsequent 3 years. Subsequent 3 years in the sense, if there are short workings in 2014, that is the first year, then subsequent 3 years will be 2015, 2016 and 2017. If recoupment is not possible, then the part of the short workings which cannot be recovered will have to be transferred to profit and loss account. Now further, however, if in any year the normal rent is not attained due to stoppage of work for any reason, the minimum rent can be reduced in proportion to the length of stoppage. Here the last line says about the stoppage. Say during 2018 there was a stoppage of work, last para, for 3 months due to strike. It means that in the year 2018 the work took place only for 9 months. Therefore, during 2018, we have to consider the minimum rent not for 1 year, not for 12 months, but only for 9 months. Proportionately, minimum rent will have to be considered. So, the computation is given later. The output for the first 6 years are given below. Here, information about 6 years, 2014 to 2019 are given. Output in terms of tons, 250, 550, 1000, 1050, 750 and 2000 tons respectively in such years. Now, prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of both the parties, the lessee and the lessor. As we have seen in the first problem, here also before preparing ledger accounts or passing journal entries, we have to prepare royalty chart. Here, as in the case of the first problem, here also royalty chart prepared in the similar manner. There are 10 columns starting from year up to the last column, amount payable by lessee. See, the second column is given about output in terms of tons given for all 6 years. Then minimum rent is 8,000 in all years except 2018. Here in 2018, minimum rent is not considered for 9 months, not considered for 12 months, but considered for 9 months. It is given in working note. So, here 8,000 is the minimum rent for 12 months, therefore, for 9 months it will be 6,000. Computation is given in working note. So, 6,000 is considered for 2018, that is minimum rent. Royalty rate is given in the problem 10 rupees per ton. So, column number 4 gives the details of royalty computed at rupees 10 per ton. So, column number 2 output 250 tons in the first year into 10, 2500 rupees is the royalty. 550 into 10 rupees 5500, 1000 into 10 rupees 10,000 rupees, 1050 into 10 rupees 10,500, 750 into 10 rupees 7,500, 2000 tons into rupees 10, 20,000 is the royalty in the last year. Now, consider column number 5, short workings. Short workings, it is already known to us that it is the excess of minimum rent over royalty. In any year, if minimum rent is more than royalty, the difference is called short workings. See the first year 2014 and 15, minimum rent is more 8,000 in the first year, but royalty is 2,500. So, minimum rent is more by 5,500, that is the short workings. In the second year 2015, again minimum rent is 8,000, but royalty is 5,500. So, short workings will be 2,500. So, it is given in the column above. Column number 5 is equal to 3 minus 4 in the sense information in the column number 3 minus information in the column number 4. Naturally, we will get short workings. Then surplus royalty, column number 6. Here surplus royalty means excess of royalty over minimum rent. In the year 2016, 17, 18 and 19, we get surplus royalty because royalty is more than minimum rent. See 2016, royalty is 10,000, but minimum rent is 8,000. So, 2,000 is the surplus royalty. In the year 2017, 10,500 is the royalty, 8,000 is the minimum rent. So, 2,500 is the surplus royalty. So, column number 6 is equal to column number 4 minus column number 3, that means royalty minus minimum rent. In the year 2018, royalty is 7,500, but minimum rent is not 8,000. If you consider 8,000, then we will get again short workings here, but minimum rent is to be considered only for 9 months. So, 6,000 is the minimum rent, royalty is more 7,500. Therefore, again in the year 2018, we will get surplus royalty of 1,500. In the last year 2019, 8,000 is the minimum rent, but royalty is 20,000. So, surplus royalty is 12,000. Now, see the column number 7, recoupment. In the year 2014 and 15, since there are short workings, recoupment is not possible, but short workings can be carried forward. See the column number 8, short workings carried forward. In the first year 5,500, then in the second year also 2,500 is short workings, 5,500 plus 2,500, 8,000 is total short workings. Now, it can be carried forward as per the right of recoupment. Here, right of recoupment says that any short workings suffered during 2014 can be recouped in 2015, 16 and 17, that is subsequent 3 years. Now, 5,500 can be recouped in the year 2015, not possible. In the year 2016, it is possible, there are 2,000 short workings. In the year 2017, 2,500 is possible. So, 5,500 is the first year short workings plus 2,500 second year short workings carried forward, total 8,000 is carried forward. In the third year 2016, since surplus royalty is 2,000, that is utilized for the purpose of recoupment. Now, short workings further carried forward, reduced to 6,000. Now, in the year 2017, again we have surplus royalty 2,500, that is used for recoupment. Therefore, again it is reduced to 2,500, 6,000 minus 2,500, that is the first year's short workings out of 5,500, 2,000 was recouped in 2016, balance remained is 3,500, out of which 2,500 is recouped in 17, 2017. Now 1000 more is not to be recouped. 3 years period expires now. Therefore, out of 5500, 1000 cannot be recouped. See the column number 9. 1000 is irrecoverable short workings. That is, out of 5500 short workings of 2014, 2000 plus 2500 could be recouped in 2016 and 17 respectively. Balance 1000 is irrecoverable, that is transferred to profit and loss account. Now, the short workings of 2015 could not be recouped in 16 and 17 because the surplus royalty of 16 and 17 was utilized for the recoupment of 2014. Now, 2500 of short workings of 2015 can be recouped in 16 if not possible, in 17 if not possible, in 2018 because in 2018 3-year period expires. Now, in 2018 there is a surplus royalty of 1500. Now, it can be utilized for the purpose of recoupment. So, out of 2500 short workings of 2015, 1500 is recouped and 1000 remains now. That becomes irrecoverable and that cannot be carried forward. Though there is surplus royalty in 2019, we cannot carry forward 1000 rupees unrecouped portion because 3-year period expires. That becomes irrecoverable, transferred to profit and loss account. Now, the last column says about amount payable by lessee to the lessor. In the first year, minimum rent is payable 8000. In the second year also minimum rent 8000 is payable. In the third year, though royalty is more, here surplus royalty of 2000 is utilized for recoupment. Therefore, 8000 is payable. In the year 2017 also, surplus royalty of 2500 is utilized for recoupment. So, 8000 is payable. Now, in the year 2018, minimum rent is 6000, royalty is 7500, 1500 surplus royalty is utilized for recoupment. Therefore, 6000 remains, that becomes payable to the lessor. In the year 2019, royalty is 20,000, minimum rent is 8,000, royalty is more. Now, here in this year there is no question of recoupment. Therefore, any royalty is payable, that is 20,000 actual royalty is payable in the year 2019. In this way, royalty chart has been prepared. Now, on the basis of this information, we have to pass journal entries and ledger account. See here, note is given. What is explained already is given in the note. See note number A. Since right to recoup the short workings is available during subsequent 3 years, out of rupees 5500 of short workings suffered in 2014, rupees 2000 is recouped out of the surplus royalty in 2016 and rupees 2500 in 2017. The balance rupees 1000 is irrecoverable as the 3 years period expires. Out of 2500 of short working suffered in 2015, rupees 1500 is recouped in 2018. The balance is rupees 1000, which becomes irrecoverable as the 3-year period expires in that year. The irrecoverable short workings will be transferred to profit and loss account of the relevant year. B. As per the terms of royalty agreement, minimum rent in 2018 is considered only for 9 months as there was a strike for 3 months. So, minimum rent is equal to 8000 into 9 by 12. That means 8000 is the minimum rent for 12 months and we have to consider for 9 months. So, 8000 divided by 12 into 9, it comes to 6000 rupees, which is shown in royalty chart also. Working note number C. Since royalty transactions can be recorded without opening minimum rent account, no minimum rent account is opened in this case. In the first problem solved, in the earlier video we have explained, in the years of short workings, we have shown the effect of minimum rent, how to open minimum rent account. Here in this problem, in the first 2 years, though there are short workings, here without opening minimum rent account, we can show the effect. So, in this problem, minimum rent account is not opened. Without opening minimum rent account, we have passed or we have recorded royalty transactions in the books of both the lessee and the lessor. Now, let us consider the books of lessee, that is Colliery Company, journal entries and followed by the ledger accounts. See the first entry in 2014, royalty account debtor 2500 is royalty, short workings account debtor 5500 to lessor's account 8000 is minimum rent, being minimum rent payable. Second entry is the payment of royalty, payment of minimum rent, lessor's account debtor to bank account, being payment made. Now, finally, royalty is transferred to trading account debtor to royalty account, being royalty transferred. Now, in the second year, as already said while solving the first problem, here also we have to see that the entries will repeat. The entries which were passed in the first year, similar entries will have to be passed for all the years. Only thing is that amount will vary. See the first entry. Again, in the second year also, 2015 also, minimum rent is more than royalty. So, we have suffered short workings. So, royalty account debtor 5500, short workings account debtor 2500, to lessor's account 8000. See here, lessor's account is credited with minimum rent 8000, out of which 5500 is the royalty, the difference is short workings 2500, being minimum rent payable or being minimum rent due to the lessor. Second entry for the payment, lessor's account debtor to bank account 8000 is paid, being payment made. Lastly, trading account debtor to royalty account. This is the entry for transfer of royalty. Royalty is an expense which was debited in the first journal entry. Now, at the end of the year 2015, the royalty being an expense is transferred to trading account debtor to royalty account which was debited earlier now will be credited with the same amount 5500. So, trading account debtor to royalty account, being royalty transferred. Now, 2016, here the recoupment is made. So, here the journal entry just differs. Here for the purpose of recoupment, we have to pass the entry. Here combined entry is passed here. In the problem number 1, the 2 entries were passed, combined entry was also passed. Of course, combined entry was posted to the ledger account. Here 2 entries, the option number 1 is not given. Direct entry, that is the combined entry has been passed. That is royalty account debtor 10,000 rupees, that is the royalty in the third year 2016, out of which recoupment 2000 is made. It is explained in the royalty chart. After recouping 2000 rupees, here that is the surplus royalty. To the extent of surplus royalty, recoupment is possible. So, with the amount of recoupment 2000 rupees, short workings account is credited. The balance out of 10,000 rupees, 10,000 were utilized for recoupment, balance 8,000 is payable to the lessor. So, lessor's account is credited with 8,000. So, royalty account debtor to short workings account to lessor's account, being recoupment of short workings out of surplus royalty and balance payable to lessor. Now, for the payment, second entry, lessor's account debtor to bank account, amount is 8,000 rupees, being payment made. Now, royalty is as usual transferred to trading account. Trading account debtor to royalty account 10,000 rupees, being royalty transferred. In the year 2017 also, recoupment is possible. So, for the purpose of recoupment, the entry is passed, that is after the recoupment of short workings, what is left, what is remained is payable to the lessor. So, royalty account debited with 10,500 actual royalty, to short workings account 2,500 is recouped. Balance is 8,000, to lessor's account 8,000, being recoupment of short workings out of surplus royalty and balance payable to lessor. Now, the second entry is for payment, lessor's account debtor to bank account 8,000 rupees, being payment made. Nextly, for transfer of royalty, trading account debtor to royalty account. Royalty account was debited, now it is credited with 10,500 rupees actual royalty. Trading account to which it is transferred is debited. Trading account debtor to royalty account, being royalty transferred. Entry number 4, profit and loss account debtor to short workings account, being irrecoverable short workings transferred. Here, out of the short workings of first year, here period of 3 years, 2014 is the first year, 3 years means 2015, 2016 and 2017. Here 2017 is the third year, full recoupment is not possible, 1,000 is the balance remained, that cannot be carried forward to next year. Therefore, it becomes irrecoverable, that is resulting in a loss to the lessee. Therefore, loss is debited to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debtor to short workings account, being irrecoverable short workings transferred. Now, let us go to 2018. Here also recoupment is possible. Royalty account debtor 7,500 is the royalty. To short workings account, recoupment is possible to the extent of 1,500 surplus royalty. To lessor's account 6,000, being recoupment of short workings out of surplus royalty and balance payable to lessor. Now, second entry is for payment, lessor's account debtor to bank account 6,000 rupees, being payment made. Third entry is transfer of royalty, trading account debtor to royalty account, being royalty transferred. 7,500 is the actual royalty, it is transferred to trading account. Finally, here also the short workings of 2015 second year, only 1,500 could be recouped, balance 1,000 cannot be carried forward to next year, because for 2015 third year means 2016, 2017 and 2018 is the third year. In 2018, if full recoupment is not possible, that becomes irrecoverable. So, 1,000 becomes irrecoverable and it results in loss to the lessee, which is debited to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debtor to short workings account, being irrecoverable short workings transferred. Now, the last year 2019, sixth year. Last year in the sense, information lease period is not given in the problem. Usually lease period will be a longer period, 10, 15, 20 years and so on. But for the purpose of learning, classroom learning purpose, usually information will be given for 4, 5 or 6 years. Here 6 years information are available. Last year is 2019, out of 6 years information, this is the last year. Let us examine. In the year 2019, actual royalty is 20,000. In this year, there is no question of recoupment. Actual royalty being more than the minimum rent, it is payable to the lessor. So, royalty account debtor to lessor's account 20,000, being royalty payable to lessor. Second entry for the payment, Lessors account debtor to bank account 20,000 being payment made. Royalty is transferred. Trading account debtor to royalty account 20,000 rupees being royalty transferred. So, the journal entries have been passed for all the years. Now, on the basis of these journal entries, now ledger accounts are prepared. As already said, here minimum rent account is not prepared. In first 2 years 2014 and 15, though minimum rent is more than actual royalty, without opening minimum rent account, we have given the effect. So, accordingly, minimum rent account does not exist, only a royalty account, short workings account and lessors account have been prepared. Now, in the examination, sometime it is specifically given prepare minimum rent account, then we have no option, we shall open minimum rent account. But if it is silent, whether to open minimum rent account or not, prepare necessary ledger accounts. If the question is like this, then we will have option, we may open minimum rent account or we may not open minimum rent account. Now, let us consider royalty account. In the first year, royalty account debtor to lessors account 2,500. Now, royalty is transferred to trading account, royalty account credited by trading account. So, this is for first year. In the second year, royalty was 5,500, royalty account debtor to lessors account, royalty is ultimately transferred to trading account, royalty account credited by trading account 5,500. In the third year, recoupment is made possible. Now, recoupment out of royalty, out of 10,000 royalty, 2,000 was surplus royalty. To that extent, recoupment was made. Accordingly, journal entry was passed, we have seen earlier. Royalty account debtor to short workings account 2,000, to lessors account balance 8,000 is payable. So, remember 8,000 in the sense that is the minimum rent. Over and above minimum rent, what is called surplus royalty, that is utilized for recoupment. In any year, the lessee shall pay to the lessor at least minimum rent. So, here in any year minimum rent shall be paid by the lessee to the lessor. So, 8,000 is payable now. So, out of 10,000, 2,000 is recouped, 8,000 is due to the lessor. So, royalty account debtor to lessor's account, finally it is transferred to trading account by trading account 10,000. Now, in the year 2017 also 2,500 is recouped, royalty account debtor to short workings account, to lessor's account 2,500 and 8,000, totally 10,500 is transferred to trading account by trading account. In 2018 also recoupment is possible, royalty account debtor to short workings account 1,500 is recouped, balance is 6,000 to lessor's account, totally 7,500 is transferred to trading account by trading account 7,500. In the last year 2019, royalty account debtor to lessor's account, actual royalty is due to the lessor 20,000 which is transferred to trading account by trading account 20,000. This is the first account prepared. Second account prepared is short workings account. Remember, on the basis of the journal entries passed, we have prepared this. So, if you can prepare the chart properly and pass the journal entries, then preparation of ledger account is very simple, just posting of journal entries to respective account. Now, see the short workings. In the first year 2014, short workings account debtor to lessor's account. The journal entry was royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessor's account. So, short workings account debtor to lessor's account 5,500 is the short workings. Now, it is carried forward, it is not transferred to anywhere, but it is carried forward till the year 2016 where we can recoup. So, here by balance carried down 5,500, 1/1/2015 to balance brought down 5,500. Further in 2015 short workings 2,500. Short workings account at R to lessors account 2,500. Totally 8,000 will be carried forward. By balance carried down 8,000. Now 1/1/2016 to balance brought down 8,000. In which year recoupment is made? So by royalty account, out of 8,000, 2,000 was recouped and balance is carried forward. Out of 8,000 short workings, 2,000 was, out of 8,000 means 5,500 short workings of first year, 2,500 short workings of second year, totally 8,000 short workings, out of which 2,000 could be recouped. So the balance remains 6,000, which is carried forward to 2017 for the purpose of recoupment. So to balance brought down 6,000, out of which 2,500 is recouped now by royalty account 2,500. Now out of 5,500, 2,000 was recouped in 2016, see above. In 2017, 2,500 could be recouped, totally 4,500. 1,000 more is remained out of 5,500 short workings of first year. Since 3 years period expires, 1,000 becomes irrecoverable, that is transferred to profit and loss account. Short workings account credited by profit and loss account, irrecoverable short workings 1,000. By out of 6,000, 2,500 remains, that is the short workings of second year 2015. It can be recouped in 2018, therefore it is carried forward. By balance carried down 2,500, 1/1/2018 to balance brought down 2,500, out of which 1,500 could be recouped because surplus royalty is only 1,500 in 2018 by royalty account 1,500. Now balance is 1,000 that cannot be transferred to or carried forward to 2019 because 3 years period expires now, that becomes irrecoverable, therefore transferred to P&L account. By profit and loss account, irrecoverable short workings 1,000 rupees. In this way, short workings account will not appear for the year 2019. Now we will pass on to lessors account. Now see here in the lessors account 2014, by royalty account 2,500, by short workings account 5,500, totally 8,000, that is nothing but minimum rent payable to the lessor. Now when paid, lessors account debtor to bank account 8,000 balanced. Next, in the second year 2015, by royalty 5,500, by short workings account 2,500, when paid, lessors account debtor to bank account 8,000. In the year 2016, lessors account credited by royalty account 8,000. When paid, lessors account debtor to bank account 8,000 balanced. Then in the year 2017, again by royalty, lessors account credited by royalty account 8,000. When paid, lessors account debtor to bank account 8,000. In this way, account is balanced. Next, in the year 2018, again by royalty account 6,000 rupees. When payment is made, lessors account debtor to bank account 6,000. In the last year, lessors account credited by royalty 20,000 rupees. Then when payment is made, lessors account debtor to bank account 20,000. So royalty, actual royalty is 20,000. When payment is made, lessors account debtor to bank account 20,000. So in this way, the journal entries have been passed and ledger accounts prepared in the books of lessee. Now in the books of lessor, now let us consider, remember royalty chart is the basis now. On the basis of royalty chart only, we have passed the journal entries in the books of lessee. How the lessee will pass the journal entries, we have seen. How the lessee prepares ledger accounts, we have seen. Now by taking into account the same royalty chart, we can pass the journal entries in the books of lessor. We are passing the journal entries means lessor will pass the journal entries as under. Now, see the year 2014. Lessee's account debtor to royalty account to short workings allowable account being minimum rent receivable. Remember, in the first year 2014, minimum rent is receivable. Out of 8,000, royalty is 2,500. From the point of view of lessor, royalty is an income. Naturally, he has credited royalty. But here in the first year, since minimum rent is 8,000, the difference between minimum rent and royalty is 5,500, which is short workings allowable. That is, the lessor will allow the lessee to recoup these short workings in further years, in the years of surplus royalty. Therefore, it is named as short workings allowable account. So, colliery company, that is lessee's account debtor to royalty account to short workings allowable account being minimum rent receivable. Now, when payment is received, bank account debtor to lessee's account, colliery company account 8,000 being receipt of minimum rent or being minimum rent received. Now, royalty being an income will be transferred to profit and loss account. Remember, royalty is an ordinary income for the lessor. It being an ordinary income, it is always transferred to profit and loss account in the books of lessor. So, royalty which was credited in the first entry now will be debited with the same amount, now which is profit and loss account to which it is transferred will be credited. Royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 2,500 being royalty transferred. In 2015, similar entries will be passed. Colliery company lessee's account debtor 8,000 with the amount of minimum rent to royalty account 5,500 to short workings allowable account 2,500 being minimum rent receivable. When payment is received, bank account debtor to colliery company, that is lessee 8,000 rupees being receipt of minimum rent. When transfer is made, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 5,500 being royalty transferred. In the year 2016, here recoupment is allowed, that is lessee has been allowed to recoup the short workings. Accordingly, short workings allowable account has been debited here with the amount of recoupment, and lessee's account is debited with the balance amount 8,000. Actual royalty is credited to royalty 10,000. So, short workings allowable account 2,000 debtor, colliery company lessee's account debtor 8,000 to royalty account 10,000 being short workings allowed to be recouped out of surplus royalty and balance royalty receivable. Now, payment is received, bank account debtor to colliery company lessee's account 8,000 rupees being receipt of royalty transfer, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 10,000 rupees being royalty transferred. 2017, again here recoupment is made, short workings allowable account debtor 2,500, colliery company account debtor 8,000 to royalty account 10,500 being short workings allowed to be recouped out of surplus royalty and balance royalty receivable. Now, when payment is received, bank account debtor to colliery company account being receipt of balance royalty. Here balance royalty is received, 8,000 is the balance royalty after the recoupment. Now, when royalty is transferred, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account being royalty transferred. Now, here in this year 1,000 is irrecoverable short workings, it results in gain to the lessor. What was the loss to the lessee, that is irrecoverable short workings was lost to the lessee, same will be treated as gain from the point of view of lessor. Gain is transferred to, that means credited to profit and loss account. Short workings allowable account debtor to profit and loss account, 1000 rupees, being irrecoverable short workings transferred. See 2018, again here recoupment is made. Short workings allowable account debtor 1500, Quality company, that is lessee's account debtor 6000, to royalty account 7500 with the amount of actual royalty. Being short workings allowed to be recouped out of surplus royalty and balance royalty receivable. When payment is received, bank account debtor to Quality company account 6000 rupees, being receipt of balance royalty. For transfer, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 7500, being royalty transferred. Lastly, for irrecoverable short workings, short workings allowable account debtor to profit and loss account, being irrecoverable short workings transferred. In the last year, there is no question of recoupment. Actual royalty is receivable from lessee. So, Quality company lessee's account debtor to royalty account 20,000 rupees, being royalty receivable. For payment received, bank account debtor to Quality company, that is lessee's account 20,000 rupees, being receipt of royalty or being royalty received. For transfer, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 20,000 rupees, being royalty transferred. In this way, for all the 6 years, journal entries have been passed. Now, the ledger accounts in the books of lessor, here also we have not prepared or we have not opened minimum rent account in the books of lessor. Without opening minimum rent account, we have prepared or we have passed journal entries and ledger accounts for all the years. Now, on the basis of those journal entries, royalty account, short workings allowable account and lessee's account have been prepared. See royalty account, it is an income. So, royalty account credited by lessee Quality company account 2500. When transfer is made, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account. So, balanced 2500, 2500. In the second year 2015, by royalty account credited by Quality company 5500. When transfer, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 5500. In the third year, recoupment is allowed. So, royalty account credited by short workings allowable account 2000, by Quality company account 8000. When transfer is made, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 10,000, thereby balanced. Now, in the year 2017, again recoupment is allowed by short workings allowable account 2500, royalty account credited by Quality company, that is lessee's account 8000, totally 10,500 is transferred. Royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 10,500. Similarly, in the year 2018, recoupment is made. Royalty account credited by short workings allowable account with the amount of recoupment 1500. Now, by Quality company, that is by lessee's account 6000. When transfer is made, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 7500. In the last year, royalty account credited by lessee's account by Quality company account 20,000 rupees. When transfer is made, royalty account debtor to profit and loss account 20,000. In this way, for all the years, the journal entries have been posted to royalty account. Now, next ledger account to be prepared in the books of lessor is short workings allowable account. See here, for the year 2014, short workings allowable account credited by lessee by Quality company account 5500 was the short workings. Now, it is carried forward up to the year of recoupment, it is carried forward. Short workings account debtor to credited by Quality company account. Now, it is carried forward to balance carried down 5500. Now, in the second year 1/1/2015, by balance brought down, previous year's short workings have been brought forward by balance brought down 5500 at the end by Quality company account, that is the short workings of second year by Quality company by lessee's account 2500. Totally 8,000 is balance carried forward. To balance carried down. From 2015 to 2016, balance have been carried forward. In the year 2016, 1/1/2016 by balance brought down 8,000. Then recoupment when made, short workings allowable account debtor to royalty account 2,000 rupees. Balance is 6,000 which is carried forward. To balance carried down. In the year 2017, 1/1/2017, by balance brought down 6,000, out of which 2,500 was recouped. Short workings allowable account debtor to royalty account 2,500 with the amount of recoupment. 1,000 is irrecoverable. So, short workings allowable account debtor to profit and loss account, irrecoverable short workings 1,000 rupees. Balance 2,500 is further carried forward. To balance carried down 2,500. On 1/1/2018, by balance brought down 2,500. When recoupment is made, short workings allowable account debtor to royalty account 1,500. Balance 1,000 becomes irrecoverable which is transferred to P&L account. Short workings allowable account debtor to profit and loss account, irrecoverable short workings 1,000 rupees. In this way, for all the years except the last year where there is no question of recoupment nor the new short workings. Therefore, in the year 2019 there is no short workings account. So, short workings account is prepared for first 5 years. Then the another account prepared in the books of lessor is lessee's account. Colliery company lessee's account is prepared. See, in the first year, Colliery company lessee's account debtor to royalty account 2,500 to short workings allowable account 5,500. Totally 8,000 is the minimum rent when received from the lessee by bank account. Lessee's account credited by bank account 8,000 balanced. In the second year again, Colliery company account debtor to royalty account 5,500 to short workings allowable account 2,500. When amount is received, Colliery company account credited by bank account 8,000 rupees. Then in the third year, Colliery company account debtor to royalty account 8,000 rupees. Now, actual net amount is now due from the lessee. Therefore, only net amount is debited to lessee's account. Colliery company account debtor to royalty account 8,000. When received, Colliery company account credited by bank account 8,000. In the year 2017 again, net amount due from lessee is 8,000 only. So, lessee's Colliery company account debtor to royalty account 8,000 when received by bank account 8,000. In the year 2018 also, net amount is 6,000 now. So, Colliery company account debtor to royalty account 6,000 when received, Colliery company account credited by bank account 6,000 rupees. But in the last year, actual royalty itself is due from the lessee because there is no question of recoupment in that year. So, actual royalty is 20,000 which is due from the lessee. So, Colliery company lessee's account debtor to royalty account 20,000 when amount is received, Colliery company account credited by bank account 20,000. In this way, the ledger account has been prepared. Remember therefore, the accounts before preparing the ledger accounts, before passing the journal entries, we have to prepare the royalty chart. In royalty accounts, remember, if a student can prepare the royalty chart properly, then half is solved. Without preparing the chart, you cannot pass the journal entries. Those specimen journal entries you may write, but while writing the amount or in the years of recoupment, in the years when the short workings become irrecoverable, additional entries will have to be passed. So, the basis of passing the journal entries is the royalty chart. Basis of ledger account is the journal entries. Therefore, firstly, in any problem, after analyzing the problem, we have to prepare royalty chart Accordingly, we have to pass journal entries and ledger accounts. Further, one more point to be noted is whether we have to prepare minimum rent account or not, we have to verify. Accordingly, we have to proceed. Then for the purpose of recoupment, again we have two options which was shown in the first problem in the earlier video. That is to pass two entries for the when or in the years of recoupment, or to pass a combined entry. Here in this problem, problem number 2, a combined entry is passed for the purpose of recoupment and the effect is given without opening minimum rent account. In this way, the problem will have to be solved.